think that you not being able to drink that glass of booze has anything to do with your liver in this place?
I don't know.
You guys booze or drinking?
Yeah.
Are we actually rich, guys?
Yes.
Are we actually rich?
Yes. Yes.
I'm from a council state in Louis.
Yeah.
How did this happen?
I have no clue.
I'll tell you how it happened. Because I did work extremely hard. And what we've created is brilliant. So we do completely deserve it, but
At the same time, we're scumbag pieces of shit too, you know?
Keep boozing.
Drink your booze.
Who's poison?
Who's drank all this booze by himself?